the 1999 Subaru Forester. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. The Subaru comes with 27,536 original miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. This vehicle does come with this interior trunk cover, which is removable if you choose that you do not want to keep it. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. I also did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, right here. So that 44,316, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 27,536. As y'all can see, the lights do go away, so you know we have not punched them out. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start with the driver's side. All right, you can check out our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 423-716-2161. We will be happy to answer any questions you might have. We also have a YouTube channel where this is probably where you'll see the video of the vehicle. You can hit the notification button, subscribe, give us a like. We will continue to update you with new vehicles that we receive. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.